process of doing a crochet job, and I'll do my face later. I don't like to put makeup on before I do my hair because of the fact that while I'm doing my hair, sometimes the makeup will get on the hair, and it's not a good look for starters. But as you can see, I'm kind of growing back my hair. I had it shaved off on both sides. Yeah. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 braids. And I've kind of started this side since this one is the one that's going to be a little higher up and I'm going to have length on this side. But I've started crocheting. The hair that I use is, I'm not sure if you can see that. I'm not sure if it's backwards in the camera, but it's a 3X water curl. It's a 20-inch. Get about, I guess I'll do about 5 inches. I'll cut 5 inches off of this. 5 inches off of this. And then I'll start sewing. I started on this side because if you can see in the mirror, you can get that effect of how your hair will lay. And I can get the effect of how I want it to be shaped. Get the shape. Tighten it up. Look it up. And it lays perfect. Ooh, it's gonna be so pretty when I feel it. Okay, wait till you see it. It's gonna be beautiful when I get done. I have my little face made up and all that cute stuff. So it's already, you know, I got a little hang time. Look at my hang time. Don't hate. And don't y'all be throwing no shade about my hang time either. Show you all.